came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came, I'm glad you came. Oh, 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 so glad you came. Oh, 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 my universe will not be the same. I'm glad you came.
Maraming salamat po. Of course, don't worry. But I want to acknowledge first, of course, the presence of Dr. Amable C. Aguiluz the 9th, and of course, Ambassador Amable R. Aguiluz the 5th. Thank you so much for inviting me sa buong AMA Education System and AMA Group of Companies. Sino ba dito ang mga educators? Yes, be proud. Yeah. Ako din po, educator din po dati, bago ko naging singer. And sa staff po ng AMA Group of Companies, good evening po sa inyo lahat. And Merry Christmas! At thank you naman sa napaka-bonggang introduction, di ba? Ms. Nicole Yara, a.k.a. of course, my classmate Emmy. Yeah, thank you so much. Kay Christopher din. Ang aking mga kaibigan sa industriya, di ba?